the foreigner who led the Zimbabwean Air Force. The 4th of September 2025. By Tafe the man. Did you know that Zimbabwe's Air Force was once led by a foreign commander? Between 1983 and 1986, the head of the Air Force was not Zimbabwean, nor a white Rhodesian, but a highly skilled officer from Pakistan, Azim Dodpota. In the early 1980s, the country's military structures were still dominated by Rhodesian commanders. President Robert Mugabe, while relying on their technical expertise, harbored deep mistrust towards many of them. Figures like General Peter Walls were eventually forced out, leaving a leadership vacuum. Replacing Rhodesian commanders in the army and police was relatively straightforward, but the Air Force posed a challenge. ZANLA cadres, including Josiah Tungumure, were still undergoing training and were not yet ready to assume command. Seeking an urgent solution, Mugabe turned to Pakistan for assistance. The Pakistani government responded by seconding Air Vice Marshal Azim Dodpota, an accomplished officer from the Pakistan Air Force. Dodpota assumed command in 1983, overseeing a crucial reorganization of the Zimbabwean Air Force and laying down structures that enhanced professionalism and efficiency. When his mission ended in 1986, President Mugabe honored him with the Order of Merit in recognition of his service. Leadership then passed to Josiah Tungumure, who consolidated the reforms. He was succeeded in 1992 by Parence Shiri, who remained in command until 2017. After Shiri, Elson Moyo took over, and today the Air Force is led by Air Marshal John Nzivid. Dodpota's tenure remains a unique chapter in Zimbabwe's military history, the only time the country's skies were commanded by a foreign officer.